what is, guys? It is a Fox Gamer, and today we'll be making some Angry Birds. Oh yeah, drop that egg. Bum. Nice. Done. Nice. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Makes it fun. Fine, I'll try it. Do we have it now? Lamina. What? Whoopsies. Nice. Nice. I did score. Yeah. Okay, this is just too easy, guys. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Hiya! Really? 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 Hiya! Oh, what? What? Okay, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. Guess I'll see with the one. Come on, yes! We've done it, guys. We cracked everything off. What? Alright, okay. Just froze there. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. Wait. Oh, damn. Oh, I got 100,540. Oh, man. Hey, guys, do you hear that? Wait. Yeah, let's get that music on. Because we just won, baby. Let's get it on, guys. Let's get it on. Because we just won 100,540. It's funny. Here comes the beat drop. Nice. Right, time to play. Okay, guys, it's a bit loud. Hiya! Aww. Fire! Right. That was not important. Oh no, that was a bubbly. Oh. Come on. No, we didn't beat it, guys. No. Guys, we failed. We got 2. No, we got nothing. Damn. So laggy. Right, one more, guys, and I'm gonna end this video. Done. Boom. Boom. That's how you do it. And you got 1 birdie left. Or 2. Yeah, we bet the score, guys. Hey. Yeah, exploder. Right, nice. This is gonna be the last one. Get it! Explode! Oh, yeah. That was nice. Oh, that bird. Drop the egg! Egg incoming! Oh, wait, what? I was like, egg incoming! Drop the egg! Boom, 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 boom. Okay, guys, that'll be it for today's video. If you like the video, please like the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn on post notification bells. Comment down below. Let's try to get this video to just get 2 likes on this video, guys. That would be really good if you do. Thank you for watching. Let's just hack this very quickly. Hatchment. Nice. Okay. Guys. See you in my next video, which is going to be probably tomorrow. Oh, wait for this beat drop. Wait for this beat drop. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.